Hey everyone, welcome back to Design Dreams. My name is Arshdeep Singh, and in today's video, we're going to be looking at design and AI workflow with Relum and Figma. This is a three-part playlist. In the first video, we're going to be looking at Relum, how to use Relum. In the second video, we're going to be looking at how to use Relum files in Figma, build our own design systems, and expand on the designs that Relum created for us. In the third video, we'll be looking at how to use ChatGPT, Relum and Figma together in an end-to-end design and AI workflow. So stick around, let's get started. In order to access Relum, just come to their website called relum.io, and that's where it begins. What does the website say? Websites designed and built faster with AI. So that's what exactly Relum does. First up, if you don't have an account, just create an account, sign up and log in. Since I already have an account, I don't need to sign up. All I need to do is use my credentials. Now once logged in, this is the dashboard that you will see. On the left hand side of the sidebar, you have your site builder, your account, create a team, and then three libraries: Figma, Webflow, and React. And in the middle section, we have all our files that we create in Relum. We'll go through Figma libraries, Webflow libraries, and React libraries in the second video. However, in the first one, we're going to look at creating a project with the sitemaps, the wireframes, and then the style guide for our project. To create a new project in Relum, just click on this blue button, which itself says new project. Once you do that, you will be taken into the artboard. In the artboard, the first thing that you notice will be this prompt modal, where you can enter your prompt and then you can define the number of pages, the language, or if you already have a sitemap, you can just upload that sitemap here. It will create the website accordingly. Just below your prompt modal, you have add section button. You can click this button to add more sections, different sections to your home page individually if you want to do that. But however, we're going to use AI to speed up our work. At the very bottom, you have options for sitemaps. Since we already have a primary sitemap, as you can see, it says primary sitemap, we can add more sitemaps if we want. You can see the sitemap 2 has been created for us. Let me press Ctrl Z to undo that. Now let's create our first website. Let's see the power of Relum. There are two ways to make websites in Relum. One is you upload the sitemap. It will create the sitemap, related wireframes and style guides. However, in this case, what I need a website for a coffee brand. So we're going to give a very simple prompt to Relum. Create website for coffee brand. Okay, very simple. We don't want to go into details you can manipulate as you go. You can change the prompt as you want. Let's just have a look at what it created for us. In the home page, you can see navbar, hero header, feature list, testimonial section, services section, CTA section, and footer. And just below that, we have other pages in the sitemap, which is about us, products, and blog. If you notice, you have two options here. In each page, you can either create sections individually, or you can ask AI to create it for you. So since I've clicked generate content, it has created the sections for about us page for me here. So that's one part of Relum, which is first creating sitemaps. Now let's have a look at the second part, which is wireframes. And that is where your design will be. Let me close this modal. If we look at the page here, what it created for us, it has given us a pretty good structure with proper text hierarchy and call to action buttons, placements for images. It has also given us a demo text which we can use, and then of course it has layout further sections in as much diversity as possible, and also including call to action buttons where needed. Within testimonial sections, you can see stars have also been mentioned here. The brand name has come up. So the design that we have here is quite good. When I say quite good, it is as good as any professional designer would make. Okay. Here's a complete one home page that it has created for us. However, rest of the pages for this project are blocked because we are on the free version. Let's try changing this section and see how to do that. When I click on this section, the hero section, we have the layout. you want to add video, you can do that. Or if you want to add a form element instead of the button, you can do that as well. And then you can also do regenerate copy. So it has created a new copy. That means the text has been updated. Also, what you can do, you can click on individual elements and click Ask AI. You can make it rewrite the text. You can make shorter, longer, however you want to do. So it not only does the layouts for you, it also writes for you. So it does UX writing as well. So that's another powerful feature out of the window that you're having. This sort of wireframe in real world would take a lot of time to make. It probably would take 3 days to get everything organized, understanding what needs to be done, what needs to be put. Of course, that process still stands, but the thing is, you already have a solid foundation to build on where you don't need to change everything. Just by making minor changes, you can have even better results faster in your UX design process for the websites. Now, let's move on to style guides. In the style guides, even this sort of style guides that we have here would take a lot of time to make, probably weeks to make a style guide. Deciding on the font, deciding on the font scale, that would take a lot of time, a lot of resources, a lot of brainstorming. However, Relum has created the style guide for us on which we can then further build. On top of that, you also have the preview of the website. If you click on any of the color palettes and press Ctrl, you will be able to select individual colors within that palette. So then you can click Edit Colors, which gives you more options to make changes to your style guide. In addition to the preview, we also have night mode and the dark mode, light mode and dark mode. And then you can also shuffle the colors, play around with different colors, different schemes on the go. This one looks great. Wow, this is top-notch stuff, top-notch design already done for you. You can see the power of it. Now let's have a look at another feature of style guides, which is brand. In the brand, you can add logo, add light or dark version of your logo, and then you can also change the height of the logo. So there is extensive customization already out of the box that's given to you. Just by simple prompt, we have a good looking, functional, organized website. In the next video, we'll be looking at how we can integrate this into Figma and take it to the next level by creating our Figma components out of it and creating an entire design system so that we can use it to build multiple websites within the similar theme. So that's how AI is helping us now. These features might also come into Figma. However, Figma AI is still in development. It is not ready to use yet. When we have AI in Figma, we'll see something similar or something different. We don't know, but however, the idea is AI, just with simple prompts, you can create good looking websites in a very short time span. We'll see you in the next video where we'll integrate Figma, analyze the Figma file, and create components for our future designs. So see you in the next video.